A feast for the eyes, unpacking a vivid English idiom. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and vivid English expression, a feast for the eyes. This phrase is a fantastic example of the richness of the English language and its ability to convey complex ideas and emotions succinctly and poetically. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply love exploring idiomatic expressions, this video will illuminate the meaning, origin, and usage of this colorful idiom. Let's get started. The phrase, "a feast for the eyes," refers to something that is visually stunning or extremely beautiful to look at. Just like a feast provides an abundance of food that satisfies your hunger, a feast for the eyes provides an abundance of visual beauty that satisfies your sense of sight. It's used to describe anything from natural landscapes, art, fashion, to well-designed objects that are pleasing to look at. Though it's hard to pinpoint the exact origin of "a feast for the eyes," it's clear that the phrase has been in use for centuries. It belongs to a category of expressions that use the metaphor of eating or feasting to describe a satisfying experience. This use of metaphorical language helps to create a vivid picture in the listener's or reader's mind, making the expression memorable and impactful. To get a feel for how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. The new art exhibit is truly a feast for the eyes. Each painting is more beautiful than the last. Walking through the botanical gardens in spring is a feast for the eyes. The flowers are in full bloom. The fashion show was a feast for the eyes, with one stunning outfit after another making its way down the runway. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, anywhere a high level of visual beauty or artistry is involved. Learning idioms such as "a feast for the eyes" is crucial for English language learners because it helps you understand conversations and literature more deeply. Idioms add color and emotion to language, allowing speakers to express themselves in a way that is both culturally rich and vividly descriptive. Moreover, using idioms correctly can make your speech and writing more native-like and expressive. We hope this exploration of "a feast for the eyes" has been as delightful for you as a true feast for the eyes. Idioms like this one are treasures of the English language, offering a window into the culture and creativity that language can embody. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to incorporate idioms into your conversations and writing. Until next time, happy learning!